जतरा हामबाय ते खुलुमखा दिनै बिसेसके बेलाय दिनै वानामा सिंसा काisa गथनांखा दिनै एसेम्बलिआव आबन्ति आं काisa स्राय स्राय ख्लायै आं गुबै गावबाय सानाय नरजत साइमनो आं खरकसा दीर्घ बछर आं ससियेल सामथाय दङ आं ससियेल वार्कार आंनि छात्र जीवन हयतेनो आं स्टुडेन्ट मुभमेन्ट ख्लायो ते कचाराव आं ह्युमेन राइट ख्लायखा ते बनपर आं कलेजाव बाहायनो आं फोरोंखा एज ए एसिस्टेन्ट प्रफेसर आंनि जीवनाव आं अमन वानसगु जे मानसाक आंनि जाति दफानि कक साइ थांनाय आंनि लांमा तकसाक तंसाक आं थेसाक पर्यन्त आं गुबै सामखाय थांनाय अबन आं वानसगु तीन राव साइमनो ताकफानो आंनि बुमुंतै एक इंची जागा फानो गरै बनि बागै आं अमन वानसगखा दिनै आंनि बाबुनि जागा दङ आंनि बाबु हायनो ब सिया बरक जाबा ब हायनो बनि जागानो ब बुमखायनाया के बाबुनि जागा प्राय खेत दंगु 2-3 कानि हायखौ दं खेत ते जागा दंगु बनि हाथाय प्राय 30 कानि हाय आ हाथाय इनके बनि ब पाट्टा नाखा अब बाबुनि बुंदि पाट्टा गता आंनि नक थाय दंमोनि अब खास दंगु आरो जों प्राय 50 बोसोर आरो दं फायगा आंनि थागुनि सिं आंनि बाबु ते आं ते मा बुथैखा अब बाबानि जागा बाबानि दखल बाबु थैथांखा ज साइमनो ओंखाय अब जागा बुम खायजे गया ओंखाय उसंगो थांनाय बोसोराव 2020 आं वानसका आं बाहायनो आंनि जागानि आंनि बुमुतै कोनो जागा गरै अब बाबानि दखल 50 बोसोर बाबा आरो दखलखे दङ किन्तु बाबु बाहायनो तामखौ ज साइमनो पाराव चिन बर गोबां मा अमाय सिया दङ बाबा दखलखे दंमानो ब बुम खायलांलिया ओंखाय आं आबनो जे मानसाक आं नानानि दखल खायनानै आंनि बुमुं ख्लायै आंनि बाबुनि जागानो आं खायनायनि चेष्टा ख्लायो आं जास्ट एप्लाइ ख्लायदोसि आव प्रसेस लाय दङ ताफोन मायाखौ जागा ओंखाय अब आं खोनाखा अब फाइलगुरि दङ ओंखाय एडिशन हयते अब सफायखाय खोनागो फाइल अब मात्र 3 घन्टा जागा आरो जागा दं प्राय 2 कानि 3 कानि जागा दङ नाल जागा अब खेतो जागा नक थाय आरे कानि दे 3 कानि दंमानि अब आं ठीक से गया आ बिसिं बराव आं खोनाखा 3 घन्टा बराव इना नाय दङानो अब मायाखौ अब मात्र 3 घन्टा जागा अब खलाय अब फाइल प्रोसेस लाय दं ताकफोन अब आनि अब जागा सफायाव अब मात्र 3 घन्टा जागा सरकार नियम माफिक बराव लिनाय हिंखनाव आं दिनै बेलाय वानाव आं खरकसा सिगित बरक आं दीर्घ बछर सामखाय दं जाति हा दफानि बागै ताव पइन्ट आनि बुमुंतै एक इंची जागा फानो गरै ताफोन आंबो सा थांखा आंबो लेनलेस साइजों दं आनि आउटलाव जागा दंमानि अब 1.5 घन्टा हाय 2 घन्टा हाय अब आनि बोरैनि बुंतै सिख्लाय दं नजो साइमना आनि बोरै तो सागै ख्लायो बतो एमप्लॉय अब ब लुन नागै अब बायमानि अब बन बुंतै केताक फनो आनि बुंतै कोन जागरै ते आनि खरकसा बागना दं आन दातन बसला बनिबो जा बुंगरै ब बाहायनो आरो नक थाय जों कायसा दंलायो आनि दादर बसला ते आं जोंखौ नैनो बनिबो जा बुंगरै आनि जा बुंगरै अब दिनै आंनि बाबुनि जागा गा बाबुनि जागानो जों आनि बागिना सन्जय जमातिया ब बिएसएफ खायतो बनिबो जा बुंगरै ओंखाय ब किसा आं किसा ख्लाय जों अब नक तांजाक नक दंगारो किन्तु आरो दिनै बुंगरै आ खास जागा फियाबा अब प्राय 50 बोसोर अब तीन दखल दं बाबुनि दखल दं अबे ख्लाय आं स्राय आं खागाखा आं बाहायनो 1-2 घन्टासो नक थायद्र जानानै खा जागा बाबुनि जागानो आं एप्लाइ ख्लायखे अब प्रसेस लाय दं अब सरकारनि नियम मते अब माननाय आजोकसि आं सत्यखौनो सावो फियाबा बेले वाना संसा जोंनि बिरोधी दल नेता रक CPM रक आबन तै बरो तिनि एसेम्बलियाव जरि खावलायो बिसेसके आं साइमनो तिनि प्रतिबादी कलम अब तो CPM पार्टीनि पत्रिका पुनो समयो आं नुखा प्रतिबादी कलम तिनि तिप्रासानि बागै बका हामसुया अब सत्य जेखुनु पेपर किछि समा तिनि आं नुखा पेपर गोबांमा सुइजा माने उल्टा पुल्टा कोनो फैक्स करे कोनो सत्य करे हेकलाय आं एकटा पेज नुखा प्रतिबादी कलम आ वानसगु मेया आं माने रिक्वेस्ट खायनाय जे पत्रिका सुनाय रक तथ्य कामखौ नाय खेदी फेक न करेदी आं सत्य को सावो जे अब बाबुनि जागा आ बाबुनि जागा न आं 1-2 घंटा जागा नाना बागै आं एप्लाइ खायखा हक्सि आबन तै अनेक बरक तिनि सरि खलायखा एसेम्बली तरि खलायखा आबनो आं सारि चेष्टा खायखा प्लास तिनि MLA सुदय बर्मन बो काहाम रिप्लाइ खायखा बनि एसेम्बली स्पीच नायनेदि आबन तै सुदय बर्मन kaham klai bo bujau saikna roka ansabai ko ansabai te ingraji bai abni ro nai di boni reply no nai di abni bang ang tini jonogon sanamusu ang chesta khlayo ani jibono ang kubui khlaigai kam khlaina musugo ang kono corruption thana musugia no joto saimano ang soitokong sago tabo ani bank balance no nai di dogana no ani account doiro mono ani account tongo ni SBI o aro ani batta beton hamani daga tongo te ani gram bank tong aro no nai ani bisu balance tong ang amne chesta khlayo je ani jibono ang sara jibon ang sam khaitanai ani dokhane sam khaitanai ani hani sam khaitanai abna wanchogo ani long term ani politician wanchogo ang tabok MLA ang 3 bar basaka puila basaka ni MLA ang basaka 2003 Julai bariu ang pasang liya epura basaka ang 2009 ang MP basaka IP tenengai Purwoti Prago te ang MDC basaka 2015 MDC taklai 2018 ang MLA pasangka ni asram bari ni hoite ang amana sopsang wansago ang thupro sapra amana wansago ang bahaklai tongui kahamke tongui ang dofani samang khlaimenai jatini samang khlaimenai amana wansago ang ani jibon onek koloma tongkho obo 5 বছর ni bangya 10 বছর ni bangsia ang long term ang jati samang khaithana boi ang wansago abangui ang obo hai corruption na musugia ang hai kelenkar ko tongna musugia onek boro wansogna je chung mantri ka haingka lei onek boro ulla boro wansago কিন্তু आं समाय तंजाक आं सत्य बाय तंनाय आं कुबुय बाय तंनाय आं कोनो दिन बरना आं थकेया आं ताताल सामाया तै आं चेष्टा खायनाय जे आनि दावफानि बागै आं सामं खायथाना बागै आं गाहाम खाय कुबुय खायै आं बुइना फुनना मसुगु बनिबा आं रिक्वेस्ट खायनाय जे बरक कम हाय जे पलिटिकल नि बागै बानि साधारण नि पलिटिकल माइलेज खायना बागै ताबक तो जतो साइमानो ताबक तिनि एडिसि इलेक्शन दं जों डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउन्सिल इलेक्शन चलाय दङ तब बिसि दिन दगलिया 6 तारिख इलेक्शन नाय आफ्राबो जों साइमानो थिन IPP पार्टी जों गाहामनि खायनाय जों जखनो जों अब जोंनि बिसास दङ तामके जों IPP पार्टी 2009 होइते जों लागातार आन्दोलन खाय दङ जोंनि हा दफानि कक साइ दङ जों गुबुयबाय थारबाय जों सामं खाय दङ आबनो जनगन सिनाय तबक जों नुखा गोबांमा जों बराव IPP नो सेजालायो IPP नि हिनलायो फियाबा जों नुगनाय IPP जे सामखाय दंमानि तुरुक सामखाय दंमानि आबनि न प्रमाण देनाय अब आं तै कक साना मुसुया मनि बागै आं जत्तनो कयो जे नि बिसे CPM पार्टी रक लाई दुर्भाग्य मा हने कपाल हामिया चिनि बिसे CPM पार्टी खने रक बेसे तिनि बादल चौधरी तिनि CPM नि वानसा नेता रक बेलाय खनो बरक जोंनो मुसुगु बजोंनो बरक जोंनो कुजुकाना थांमानि बरक काना दिया बरक सिकिनसा इसुनो तयै बरक तिनि खावलायखा विधानसभा तिरि खावलायखा जे आनो मन्त्रि सभानि रिजाइन मारनाय हाइमार हिमर तिनि डिस्टार्ब खायखा आबनो तिनि सुदेर बर्मन काहाम रिप्लाइ दिखा आं रिखा ते तिनि रतननाथबो कक साखा आबनो काहाम बरनो जवाब रिखा आमांग जेरखलाय जोंनुखा बरते कक सारालिया जखनते तिनि मुख्यमंत्री बिप्लब कुमार देव अब 근데 바제 체선이 꼭 사프로 바제는 스피스너로 프로 보니 뿌레 버럭 사나 동머니 근데 버럭 사라글리야 수디라 니들 바자 샤카 나 어버너 꼭 사지 근데 버럭 사라글리야 땅 버럭 কোনো যুক্তি করে চিকন সে ইস্যু চিকন সে যদি বড় তিনি আরো 100 ফাইনাইতে জংমানি নো সাইমানো এডিসি ইলেকশন নো বড় আরো বড় ফাইজা নাই বড় চেষ্টা খাইনো যেসমান উঠো তিন কমিউনিস্ট পার্টি বামফ্রম তি বড় কোনো ফাইমিয়া বড় জিরুং থাंनाय दा बर'नो ग्रहण खायलिया दा हंके जों नुगौ जों बामफ्रोम आमालो गोबां मानसि फैबाय नेताराव बर' जि कारापसन कुरुट इभेन बाला चौधुरी बताखन बने केस दङ बने अर्थ केलेंकारि बर जरित दङ फैयाबा आं अबर सानमसुगो चिन बर'नो सानमसुगो जों गुबै सामखाय दङ जों गोथारबाय सामखाय दङ आं खागाव आनि सामं लुगुइ आनि गुबैनो लुगुइ बर'आनो एक्सेप्ट खायनाय हामबाय खुलुमबाय very much thank you media friend. Today I want to express my humble submission, all the media friend, to highlight the issue happening today. As you know, today is the last assembly session, budget session. Today suddenly some of the Communist Party leaders like Badal Chaudhary, they have raised the issue regarding the paper. Recently, yesterday it was published this in newspaper, which we call Pratibadi Kolom, daily newspaper. And as you know, this paper is completely biased and it's really guided by Communist Party. We all know this is not like Chandan Patrika, Dainik Sombad, and other papers. This Pratibadi Kolom is specially backed by Communist Party. That we all know. The fact of the matter is that last year, 2020, I have applied for allotment. As you know, my father had possessed around 2 to 3 kani land, khas land, which we are living there. Now also I have a house. This is my father's property. Since long, about 50-60 years, we are living in that particular village, in that locality, and my father has possessed that land. But unfortunately, my father passed away, but he could not do the allotment because, as you know, in the villagers, most of the people are very innocent and they are not awareness about the land allotment issue. Therefore, my father did not get the land allotment, and you know, still today, I have no any piece of land in my name. Still now, I am also become landless because there is no piece of land in my name. So thinking of that, since it is khas land, is occupied by my father since long, for 50-60 years. This is my forefather land. So I thought to get allotment since it is still in the khas. So I tried to get some piece of land as per the law, as per the rule. I have applied. And it is process going on. Still, I don't have any position. Allotment is waiting, and I was told that through ADC, because it is ADC area, so through ADC they have allotted around 3 gondas as per the rule and the law. But still, I am waiting. Only 3 gondas they have allotted. Of course, my father has occupied more than 2-3 kanis. This is the fact. So the piece of land they are going to allot me, maybe it is under process. So seeing that one, I don't know how come they got all these documents, from where they achieve, I don't know. But it's very wonderful. Being I have no any piece of land, I have a right to get land. Since this is my father's land, my ancestor's land. Since long we are occupying that one, still I have a house there. We are living there. It is my father's land. I don't claim other land, not in the forest land, because it is belong to my father. Though my father did not have the allotment, but still it is right to get, because since many years we are living there. So this is a true fact. Therefore, I applied to get a piece of land because it belong to my father. I have a right to get. Nobody occupied the one. Still is in our position. Though it is khas land, but it was possessed by me and my relative. Therefore, I think this is very interesting and very wonderful. How come this opposition leader, they have asked me to resign my post as a forest minister, and it was really wonderful that my colleague, that my friend Sudhir Burman has defended, and you can get record that the way Sudhir Burman had replied to them, and this Communist Party leader, they cannot reply it. They have mom. They are asked to raise the voice, but they cannot raise the voice because they know that it is a simple issue, simple matter. Therefore, I think people will understand. People will know my character. People will know that I was a long time serving the people of Tripura, and also I was long time doing politics. Not only politics, I was the student leader for many years, and again I was involved in the human rights organization. And also, meantime, for 2-3 years, I was the assistant professor in the government service. So I have a long experience. And this is what I want to explain. I want to tell my people that I have a long dream to serve the people, to serve my people, especially my Tripura people. And it is my commitment that for long, because I'm thinking for not for 5 years, for 10 years, for many long years I'm thinking to serve the people. So I don't want to involve all this corruption way. So I always try to maintain to live peacefully, to live free of corruption, to live in a peaceful life, and to maintain discipline in my life. This is what I always dream and always think for my life. Therefore, I request all my people, especially Tripura people, tribal people, will understand what I'm doing and what I am thinking. And it is also true fact that everybody have a right to get land, piece of land. I am also a citizen of Tripura. Plus, my fatherland. So I request the government very clearly, and I'm not hiding anything, because it is my own fatherland. I'm not asking other land to win forest land, but this was possessed by my father for long years. Therefore, I think government will understand, people will understand, my party will understand about the fact and the truth, because I always believe the truth will make you free. Thank you.